What if 3 months from now, you looked back at this summer and realized it was the one that changed everything? Not because you had the perfect vacation or bought a whole new wardrobe, but because you finally decided to invest in yourself. Imagine walking into school feeling healthier, more confident, and happier. People might notice your clearer skin or your new style, but what they'll really notice is your confidence. And here's the reality. Confidence doesn't come from looking perfect. It comes from knowing you've kept the promises you made to yourself. So if you're ready to make this your best summer yet, I'm going to show you exactly how to glow up, both your mind and your body. We're breaking this down into 3 simple phases. No unrealistic trends, no expensive routines, just habits any teen can start today. Let's get into it. Before we talk about skincare, workouts, or fashion, we need to change what a glow up actually means. A lot of people think glowing up is just looking better, but if you become more attractive while still feeling insecure, comparing yourself to everyone online and doubting yourself, did you really glow up? A real glow up starts from the inside. It's becoming healthier. It's becoming kinder to yourself. It's becoming disciplined enough to stick to good habits even when no one is watching. So instead of asking, how can I look prettier? Ask yourself, how can I become the best version of myself? That one question will completely change your summer. Let's be honest, it's almost impossible to scroll through social media without comparing yourself to someone else. Perfect skin, perfect clothes, perfect friends, and suddenly you feel like you're behind. But remember, you're comparing your everyday life to someone else's highlight reel. People don't post their bad days, so stop measuring your worth against carefully edited moments online. Protecting your peace also means removing what drains you. If an account makes you feel insecure, unfollow it. If you're glued to your phone, disconnect. Go outside, take a walk, read under a tree. Summer doesn't have to be packed with expensive plans to be meaningful. Sometimes the best memories come from slowing down. And trust me, peace looks good on everyone. Imagine it's the last day of summer. What do you want to remember? Hours of scrolling or memories you actually made? Ride your bike, visit a new place, learn to cook something new. When you fill your days with real experiences, you naturally become more confident because you're building a life, not just watching someone else's. One of the easiest ways to feel like you've got your life together is by creating a simple morning routine. Notice I said simple. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. or have a 20-step skincare routine. Try this. Wake up around the same time each day. Open your curtains and let sunlight in. Drink a glass of water before grabbing your phone. Wash your face, brush your teeth, and stretch for 5 minutes. These small habits don't seem life-changing on their own, but when you repeat them every morning, they create momentum. And momentum is what makes big changes possible. Think about how many hours you've spent scrolling this week. Now imagine replacing just 20 of those minutes with something that helps you grow. Read a book, listen to a podcast, journal your thoughts. Your brain needs good information, just like your body needs good food. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become, because confidence often comes from competence. When you know you're improving every day, you naturally carry yourself differently. The best routine is one that's realistic enough that you'll stick with it. Wake up, make your bed, get a workout in, read for 15 minutes, hang out with friends, and enjoy your favorite show in moderation. A glow up isn't about turning your summer into a full-time job. It's about creating balance. Step 1. Move your body every day. You do not have to become a gym expert to glow up. Exercise isn't about punishing your body, it's about taking care of it. Find something you enjoy. Go for a walk with music, ride your bike, dance in your room. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is consistency. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day boosts your mood and changes your mindset. Every workout reminds you that you're capable of doing hard things. Step 2. Master the physical basics. Sometimes the biggest glow up is just a collection of small habits. Brush your teeth twice a day, shower regularly, keep your nails clean, wear clean clothes that fit you, not what everyone else is wearing, and don't ignore your posture. Do this right now with me. Sit up straight, roll your shoulders back, lift your head. Notice how different you feel. Standing tall makes you appear more confident, even if you're still working on building it inside. For skincare, keep it simple. A gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. Healthy skin comes from consistency, not from buying every trending product. And remember, everyone gets pimples. A breakout doesn't make you unattractive, it makes you human. Step 3. Be consistent, not perfect. Here is the most important step of all. Your glow up won't happen because you had one productive day. It happens because you keep showing up. There will be mornings when you sleep in, days when you skip a workout, moments when you eat more junk food than you planned. That's normal. One bad day doesn't ruin your progress. The people who see the biggest transformations aren't the ones who are perfect. They're the ones who keep going after they mess up. Progress always beats perfection. Before we wrap up, I want you to remember one thing. You're not glowing up to impress your classmates. You're not doing it to get more likes. You're doing it because you deserve to feel healthy. You deserve to wake up feeling proud of the person you're becoming. So here's my final challenge for you. Don't try try to change your entire life tomorrow. Instead, choose just 3 habits from this video. Maybe you drink more water, go on a 20-minute walk, or read before bed. Commit to those 3 things for the rest of the summer. 3 months from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll be grateful that you did. The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the channel. And if you want more videos about self-improvement, healthy habits, and becoming the best version of yourself, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Have an amazing summer, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.